Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor, May 16th. Markets are pulling back a little bit this morning once again. Corn down 2 cents, beans down 1.5 pennies for old crop, actually up 3/4 cent yet for new crops, so spreading still continuing there. And then wheat right about unchanged. But as I mentioned, more selling pressure continues, specifically for corn this morning. We are approaching some good support levels, though, not only for corn but also for wheat. We got to watch that 100-day moving average for corn. A lot of guys are going to be watching that today. Can we hold this support? I know when I got up this morning here in McHenry, and it's snowing today, so the weather actually looks good for most areas across the Corn Belt, but a little bit cooler. So colder temperatures certainly prevail right now, but coming into next week, things look like they are going to warm up again, and that's what guys are focusing on. Corn right now being more than 60% in the ground, expecting to see some progress made for next week, maybe some lighter progress because the rest of the 40%, most of that's coming from the north and the east, where we have gotten some rains, and these cooler temperatures are really slowing things down. So it'll be interesting to see what comes out come Monday as far as planning progress. Beans have plenty of time right now. Guys really aren't worried about beans, but they were looking at the NOPA crush numbers yesterday. We had seen some support for beans early, and then once those numbers were released, it was almost a buy the rumor, sell the fact type idea with beans yesterday. So we'll see if we get some follow through with that again here today. Corn and wheat right now are actually working on one of the largest, the biggest weekly loss we've seen for almost a year. So can we see some kind of recovery from these support levels? So keep an eye on that and stay in touch with us as well. We'll be glad to help you with that too. Looking at livestock, cattle 20 cents higher. Box beef kind of quiet, although up 13 for choice, up just a penny for select, putting packer break evens at 139.92. There was some trade in Kansas at 145. But quickly followed up by a 146 in Texas, steady with last week. So we are a little bit higher, a little bit more firm from that. We're still holding good values. As far as hogs, down 25 cents today. Cutout values up 31 cents. Still this back and forth on the wholesale pork prices. 113.23 is where we're at with that. Still looking to see some kind of a seasonal bottom in here and see if we can see some strength as we go into the summer months. But some stories out there showing inflationary data, looking at meat prices in general, up about 3% in April. They're saying this is the most since November 2003. And actually the second biggest in 34 years. So these prices are now starting to affect the wholesale level. But overall, we'll see. Right now, cash is king. Very strong markets right now, so keep an eye on that. Outside markets, as far as the stock market, unchanged. Gold down $4, silver down 18 cents. The dollar right now climbing about 10 cents today as well. But give us a call if you guys have any questions. You can reach us here, 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day today. Have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you next week.